Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach the best AI tool for generating the images. So that is the AI tool OpenArt AI. Okay, this is the easy image video creation. Okay, so that's the AI tool. Click on it. Okay, this is the AI tool. Okay, so you have to sign in via your Gmail account. Click on it. I'm going to sign in my Gmail account. After login your account, it look like this way. So what I'm going to do is here we have to time the prompt. According to the prompt, your image has been created. So you have to generate the video as well, because that video generation also we have to purchase, that is you have to upgrade it. So then only you will be able to create more videos and images. Okay, so that is the free one. First you have to create at the you can see that stories, the videos, the images. So I'm going to create the images. Okay, this is created images. So that create image, there are plenty of options are there. So you have to, that this is a model. So if you have purchased the option, there are various models here given. So that we have given here is a prompt. So I'm going to go to the ChatGPT and tell them the things. For ChatGPT, I'm going to task act as a world best image prompt generator. Here is the prompt. Here is the text. Girl is crying. The girl is crying. Indian crying at the school. School. So this is the prompt. I just copy this. Emotion and close-up story scenes. Okay, so that according to that, go back here, paste it over here. Okay, so now it's created. They are given the free. The 20 credits will be charged. Okay, so that simultaneously created two images. Okay, so that you have, okay, so that we have to create it. Okay, it takes some time to create, so that it's depend on the internet connection. Here, this is the first one. Here, this AI tool. This created by AI. These are two different ways here. Okay, so this is kind of a good one. The girl is crying. Okay, this kind of images we have done by this tool. Okay, so this is the tool which is help us to create the images. Okay, so that second one is that another one. You can see that, go back to here, you can see that the story selling scenes, that crying, that also that kid. Don't go this one. This one should be that cartoon look. So let's try this one as a whatever second prompt. How they generate will be see. Okay, so that is the best AI tool, OpenArt AI. These are frequently that designers and video editors are mostly frequently using this tool. Okay, this is kind of a best look here. You can see here. Rather than that, this is kind of a, this is some realistic effects, but that mentions the effect which is that AI, because it's AI. But that but here this is also that, well, you can get the which one you like. You can get one of these pictures out of this. Okay, that is your wish. Okay, that you will be able to find it. Okay, it's very okay. That is not that much of a hardness. Okay, so this how we have this work. AI tool works free. Open AI. Okay, so that you will be able to down, if you like this image, you will be able to download this, the jpg or png, whatever. You click on download, so download has been created here. Here it's downloaded. Or you can actual, this is the images here. The quality also that good. You don't bother about the quality here. The quality is of high quality. We can get the high quality image. Okay, so that this kind of a image will be created by OpenArt AI. So you can, if you are not tried this before ever, you must try on it, that you can get the benefit of your video editing as well as graphic designing works. So okay, you can try on it free. After, if you are satisfied, you will be able to purchase the premium one. Okay, thank you for watching.